You want to know how I got these scars? From eating too many Lays.
I want to be with you.
AI video tools just changed forever. Higgsfield WAN 2.5 could replace 5 apps at once. From lip sync to visual effects, this platform unlocks features no competitor has ever matched. And today, I'll show you why creators everywhere are talking about it.
Most AI tools promise magic, but let's be real, they come with limits. VO 3 capped at 8 seconds, only one format, and no audio sync. That's not enough for creators who need versatility. WAN 2.5 fixes those gaps with a complete all-in-one solution.
With WAN 2.5, you can even bring personalities to life. Let's start by uploading a photo of Ray Williams Johnson. Now for the prompt, I'll type Ray Williams delivering a motivational speech on stage, confident and enthusiastic expressions, cinematic spotlight, cheering crowd in background. Click Enhance Prompt On, select a WAN 2.5 from the model options, set duration to 10 seconds, choose 1080p resolution, and click Generate. In less than half a minute, WAN 2.5 delivers a lifelike cinematic video of Ray Williams inspiring a crowd created entirely with AI.
Your future is shaped by the choices you make today. Decide to move forward with confidence. Your future is shaped by the choices you make today. Decide to move forward with confidence. Your future is shaped by the choices you make today. Decide to move forward with
WAN 2.5 is culture ready. It supports celebrities, stylized prompts, even edgy internet culture, making it the first AI truly tuned for real online creators. Uncensored and culture ready. Unlimited runs, no caps. Even free users get daily generations. That means you can experiment non-stop without worrying about paywalls. Unlimited offers running now. Unlimited WAN 2.5 and daily free generations. Lip sync, music, and voiceovers nailed in one pass. No manual editing required.
Building dreams is hard. Unless you've got Lego.
This magic is an iPhone.
Step in the game with the 1.5. Model so smooth, keeping dreams alive. AI so fresh, got the whole vibe. From data streams deep to the codes that align, but crushing every line. Watch it shape the world, this model.
Cinematic motion equals next level.
VO 3 stopped at visuals. WAN 2.5 delivers motion, audio, and true cinematic storytelling. Crisp, high definition, 1080p cinematic sharpness. So, WAN 2.5 supports TikTok vertical, Instagram square, and YouTube widescreen, all at once.
Calm, just relax, you're safe, everything is okay. Listen to
And on this drop like a storm in the sky. Now the new model's here and it's taking me high. I'm talking power in the lines, every word is a flame. Feeling turbocharged, can't hold back the game.
Think about the possibilities. Product ads, animated photos, VFX, even YouTuber intros. All created with a single tool.
Drink Coke, or we'll kill you.
Higgsfield WAN 2.5 isn't just another AI tool. It's the evolution of content creation. With unlimited runs and free daily access, it's time to see for yourself what next-gen AI really looks like. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Unlimited offers running now. Unlimited WAN 2.5 and daily free generations.